as to teach you how to install multi-chart script, as I'm going to go to my code list.cc. So this is the link of the site. Then click paste it to your browser and click on enter. Then you come to your search here to search for the script, which I'm going to search for multi-chart. Then I'm going to press enter. I'm going to bring out the multi-chart script for me. See, the multi-chart is the script with a Flutter framework, and I'm going to click on the script, and I'm going to copy one of these link here. I'm going to paste it to a new tab. Then I paste to a new tab. I will download it. After I've downloaded it, I'm going to go to my folder, my downloads on my desktop, to extract the folder which is here. Let me expand it. Okay. This is the script here, multi-chart. Then I've extracted it. I'm going to copy the exact code. And I'm going to copy this code to my desktop and paste it there. So I've pasted it. This is the folder, multi-chart Firebase. And I'm going to go to my Android Studio Code. When I go to my Android Studio Code, I'm going to go to my post.yml and click on post.get to update the dependency to the latest dependencies. After then, I'm going to go to my main.dat and I'm going to run the project. So I'm using my physical phone to debug. Then the project is already running. Then I'm going to display my phone here. With my phone, it has launched. So then we can connect our backend to the script. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.